you wouldn't believe what we're playing, you know. Good old Train Station Classic. I'm gonna turn that down a little bit. Train Station Classic. Oh gosh. Let's say it's free. Sorry, what? Here. Go away for 30 minutes, okay? And then what was this top one? I thought that said that was free. You lied to me. Oh yeah, we have F7s now. Well, not F7s, we have F units now. So yeah, we have all of this is all we have now. Okay, yeah, we have that. It's just sitting there. Why do you have 7 cars? Oh yeah, but you have you at the end. What are you gonna get me? I'm canceling you. I don't want you anymore. I'm gonna send you away for like 3 hours and you'll bring me back 5,000 coins. That's what I have. Okay. That was my grandparents. Sorry. Bam. Well. What do we have here? We got a dash 8. Don't want that, so get out of here. I don't want that dash 8. I don't want that vintage power. And so I'm gonna wait for him to clear. And then get the other train, yeah. Get rid of you. And then get rid of you. Wait a minute, why didn't it add my museum? It's almost as if that cursed thing. I've already collected it. Look at this thing. It looks like a Gevo and an SD70 Mac mixed into one. Or flared radiator SD70M mixed into one. With high-speed elements. That's what I say. The middle section looks like a Gevo. The front half looks somewhat like a Gevo, but streamlined. And then the radiator looks like an SD70M or SD70 Mac. And then the bogies look like an AC44 or an SD70s mixed into one. Which one do I have? Still broke. Okay. Just selling off a little bit of diesel fuel. I'm gonna get that whistle though. Oh look, the Flying Scotsman. Oh boy, I can't wait to wonder. Bam. Also gotta check in on good old Mr. Bill. And see what he's got. Okay. And there go his choo-choos. What's in the item shop? SD7 Black. An all 10 car. No. Too weak for my opinion. Will you go away? What does it even tell? No. I don't want that Dash 8. Why is it actually so? Wait, it actually says Dash 8-40C. Wait, are those even in the game? Ooh. Wait. Are there no Dash 8s in the game? What? Seriously? There's no Dash 8s in the game? Why is this SD80 Mac rare? What's so special about it? Seriously, there's no Dash 8s? Why? No. Let's see. Engines do I have? What's the weakest engine I own? That's freight. And the cheapest. Okay, it's the Forney. There. Might sell. I'm gonna sell that off. I'm gonna sell off that engine. Disassemble. Nope. In terms of locomotives, how much would you sell for? 9,000. Just 700. 1,200. No. I guess you're the most I can sell. You're the one I can sell for the most money. So bam. Yeah, dude is now history. I'm also gonna sell off a lot of this wood. Anything over the thousands, I'm gonna sell off a little bit of it. So this includes this, just to sell off a little bit of it, so I can go bankrupt and buy 3 more. Oh, not much. Okay. The 40. And then, really? Send the depot. And then, items. Steal. And then sell this car off. And I'm gonna add, it's great. I'm gonna add that additional train. Bam. It's in depot. And then disassemble. And then go into engines. Sell you for 8,000. And then free cars. That'll be under XP, right? Yeah. How much could I... 2,000, 6,000. I can get a lot of XP from you. What can haul the most? Okay. So I sold it off for 8,000. How much can I buy it for? That was a stupid decision. Then again, I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed, so. And no, that was not a reference. Intentionally, anyway. Go away. Stupid diesel. The good old fashioned that kind of contest. No. Where's the Flying Scotsman at? Not Flying Scotsman, the A1. Oh, he's only an hour away. Okay. I do train ride. Ah, yes, I love my A1s with a good old K5LA, I love my A1s with a K5. My favorite type of horn in these units, gotta love them. What? Oh, box. What is that anyway? We get 3 of them, but what? Oh, it hauls fuel. Wait. No, it hauls bricks. Why would I need that? Go easy challenge 1, okay. 6 days left. Do. I'm just looking, honestly. Plus I don't want it. The good old PRR A5. I'm gonna sell off a little more fuel. I'm only gonna sell it off a little bit. That train there, I think I might can't. That one, when that one gets here. Screw it. There. Yep. Just like, screw it, whatever. I'm gonna get these, and since I can't really do much with these materials, I'm gonna sell them off. Don't care. Just getting some money back. I want this train to be back early because I do want to get rid of him, replace him with something else. So this dude gets to come back. He got sold off and kept in the same episode. He's lucky. And that one can be disassembled. And then you. I'll keep you for backup purposes only. Yeah, how about you go away for 1 week? Yeah, you're gonna get me a lot of XP. So you know what? You're worth it. Go do whatever you need to do. You. I said you're mostly a passenger engine. That's what I'm gonna stick you for. You can make me $11,000, but I don't really want you around. Oh look, it's Rebecca from Thomas and Friends. Anyone remember her? Yeah, I bet no one does because no one cares about her. Justice for Edward. I'm saying it now. Justice for Edward. How much XP do I need? Just 1,000. Okay. Get that glass out of here, boy. I only have one pure train for gas. I have one singular train for bricks, one for steel. You know, I'm really regretting. Cancel. You'll be back in 3 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, yep, we're done. We've already canceled it. I just realized we might need an additional train. So that, how many tankers? Don't have any tankers, okay. So I'm gonna buy an additional 6. I'm just gonna assemble random trains. Just random trains assemble. Contracts. But I think we're getting close to ending the episodes. Maybe the shortest episode of the series. See, do I have any more engines? Nope, just Mr. General. Who brings the most money? It's you, it's you. You know, maybe I shouldn't have sold you off. But you aren't American, so get out of here. Then again, neither are you, but still. I didn't even call you, so thank you. Please do not block up my yard tracks, thank you. And you're gonna go away for about that long. Go get me some fuel. Since there's no purpose for any of this stuff, I'm just gonna sell it. I want my money back. So. But I think this is where I'm going to end today's episode. Hope you all enjoyed. And I'll see you again very, very soon. Later.